Update people, 1977 GMC truck. We now have the new wheels and tires on the thing. Those are Arc Wheel, that's the brand. And these are Cooper Discovery ATV3. And we have the same on the back. These are good Cooper tires, USA made. That's why I chose them. And they even say it on the tire, USA made. So, these are good tires. I've used Cooper before, and they're pretty good. So, but there she is in her full dually stance. No longer is she a 1-ton single wheel. It's now a 1-ton double wheel dually. Yeah, all the way around. We got these new tires, new wheels. It was quite a bit of money. I mean, the wheels were, I think, like $135 a piece or something like that. And of course, the tires were $300 a piece. But when you're buying tires for these dualies, don't buy the cheap ones. USA right there, made in USA. See? And a Cooper Discovery, all-terrain 3. So for 1 ton, that's what I was told I should probably have on there by my tire guy. So here's the other side. So I was talking to my tire guy, and he said put the ATV all-terrain 3s on it, because for a 1-ton dually, when you're going to be hauling stuff and towing, which I am, you need a 10-ply tire. And of course, these are put on 4x4s. You can go off-road with them. They're not real aggressive. But, yep, that's what we wanted. So, there's the update.